Hello everybody, back again. Okay, here I've done something like this with an LCD earlier on. I pick up the time from the internet. Okay, so but now I've tried with a 7-segment. Well, this is actually a chip of the 7-segment, which only give you 2 wires, except with ground and positive. It's got the clock and the data cable, and this is called a TM. What happened? Okay, so let's have a look at the password. Sorry, not the password I'm talking about. Let's have a look at the codes. Here's the code. Okay, it picks up from, it's an NTPClient, so you practically, even if your computer is off, you can picks up the time from your Wi-Fi. Okay, I've added up a secret file, so that just to hide your username and password. Otherwise, yeah, I double quoted it, so I don't need it, but you can unquote it. So you unquote these two, and you have your password and your username. Okay, so there we are. This is the sketch code, and yeah, it's if you want to make it's got minute timer. You can set it up a different way. You can have also add you can add the dates. I didn't do that, but you can add the date. You can add the dates, and you have it scrolling through, or actually, I wouldn't say scrolling. You can show the date and the time. Like well, possibly scrolling. Yeah. Okay, everybody. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye. And give me a thumbs up if you like it.